Okay, good morning. So today I am going to I'm going with Quantum Radio Station to a certain coffee shop, I think. Yeah. So we are it's a kitchen vibes. So as the Face of Fine Town founder, we will be discussing some sponsorship things. But I'm not gonna show you guys the whole conversation thing, a little bit of part, and then maybe when we start there, then I'm gonna stop the vlogging. Hi guys, so now I'm done. This is me. So I'm ready to walk out and meet Junior. I mean to meet Phantom Radio Station, and then we're gonna go there and see how will it go. Okay guys, we are walking to Diamond Siakon. Yeah, I'm very tired, guys. I don't want to lie. But yeah, Face of Fine Town is my baby, so I gotta make sure I treat it very, very well. Yabo? Angiphathanga imali yabantu. So, I mean, Fine Town already we have an agreement to each and every month I'm giving him something. Ngizi. Ngifonele inamba le ngifonele kuyo phela.
Ngiyangibela nje phone yamodlile lapha yithi ushayithele EFF. I think maybe the thing had a concept that can WhatsApp. So I want this guy sponsors the radio station.
Oh.
So I'm not doing every time I'm supposed to work.
Yeah.
Whenever I go there, or whenever whenever I post, it increases.
Okay.
So I also want he must do that for
If it's a Fine Town.
If it's a Fine Town on the final.
So like, did you?
Or whatsoever. I know
Oh, final day.
Then maybe I'm a driver.
Ama campaigns.
Shathele lo. Uzashaya Fine Town.
Oh yeah.
Face of Fine Town.
Yeah.
So I'll post every day lo.
Oh, all right.
Alright, akunankinga ke.
Hayi sohlangana. Ngoba nami ngisalungisa la engine.
Usabhizi. Yeah.
Hayi ngilungisa i-shop kune-shop sasebhizi ngaphakathi. Yabona safuna ukuthi nje hayi sohlangana lethi sihlale phansi grand ubona Khotman nganazo izinto ezifanyaza ukuthi hayi sikhuluma le sikhulumayo.
Hello guys, I am back. So yeah, as you saw some few clips nyana. The meeting will be at 6 p.m. So bazozalana sizokhuluma ke indaba serious.